Welcome to my channel Pharma Discussion with Kaji. Today I will discuss the answer of 20 important MCQ related to antileprotic drug. So you guys please keep watching the video till the end. First question. The most important dose dependent toxicity of dapsone is, the options are methemoglobinemia, hepatitis, dermatitis, hemolysis. The correct answer is hemolysis. Patients with glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency are more prone to hemolysis when doses of more than 50 mg per day are used. Next question. Which antileprotic drug suppresses lepra reaction and several reactions as well? The correct answer is clofazimine. Lepra reactions are more common in lepromatous leprosy. It is a Jarisch-Herxheimer type of reaction due to release of antigen from the killed bacilli. It can be controlled by using clofazimine 200 mg daily and temporary discontinuation of dapsone in severe cases. Next question. In the multi-drug therapy of leprosy, rifampicin is given 600 mg daily, weekly, monthly, one alternate day. The correct answer is monthly. Next question. The tetracycline with highest antileprotic activity is democlocycline, minocycline, doxycycline, oxytetracycline. The correct answer is minocycline because it has high lipophilicity. Next question. Antileprotic action of sulfones is due to its inhibition of. The options are DNA synthesis, protein synthesis, hemoglobin synthesis, folic acid synthesis. The correct answer is folic acid synthesis. The mechanism of actions of sulfones is very much similar to that of sulfonamide. Next question. The following is true for clofazimine except it means that among 4 options, 3 are correct, 1 is incorrect. We have to find the incorrect option. The options are, it has additional anti-inflammatory property, it is cidal to Mycobacterium leprae, it has very long elimination half-life, it discolors skins and sweat. The correct option is B, that is, it is cidal to Mycobacterium leprae. Actually, clofazimine is a dye with leprostatic and anti-inflammatory properties. It acts probably by interfering with template functions of DNA. Next question. The causative organism of leprosy is. The options are Yersinia pestis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium leprae, Treponema pallidum. We know that Yersinia pestis is the causative organism of plague. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the causative organism of tuberculosis. Mycobacterium leprae is the causative organism of leprosy. And Treponema pallidum is the causative organism of syphilis. So the correct answer is C. Next question. A drug used as antileprotic having anti-inflammatory action is. The options are dapsone, streptomycin, rifampicin, clofazimine. The correct answer is clofazimine. Next question. Another name of leprosy is. The options are Addison's disease, Hansen's disease, Parkinson's disease, Raynaud's disease. The correct answer is Hansen's disease because G.H. Armeur Hansen discovered Mycobacterium leprae in 1873. Addison's disease is caused by inadequate secretion of hormone of adrenal cortex. Parkinson's disease is a disorder of CNS. Raynaud's disease is a medical condition in which spasm of arteries causes episodes of reduced blood flow. So the correct answer is B, that is Hansen's disease. Next question. What are the typical characteristics of leprotic skin patches? The options are loss of sensation over the affected skin, dark color appears over the affected skin, extreme pain over the affected skin, all of these. The correct answer is A. Next question. The antibiotic effective against Mycobacterium leprae. The options are clarithromycin, penicillin G, doxorubicin, bacitracin. The correct answer is clarithromycin. It is a macrolide antibiotic. Next question. Which of the following antileprotic drug causes reddish-black discoloration of skin? The options are clofazimine, acidapsone, minocycline, dapsone. The correct answer is clofazimine. Next question. Dose of dapsone recommended in multibacillary leprosy is 100 mg. Once in a month, twice in a week, once in a week, daily. The correct answer is daily. Multibacillary leprosy is also known as lepromatous leprosy. Numerous bacilli can be seen within sheets of foamy histiocytes. Next question. Multidrug therapy with dapsone, rifampicin and clofazimine is the treatment of choice of multibacillary leprosy, paucibacillary leprosy, dapsone resistant leprosy, all forms of leprosy. The correct answer is D, that is all forms of leprosy. Next question. Which of the following antitubercular drug used in leprosy? The options are INH and pyrazinamide, PAS and ethambutol, thiacetatone and moxifloxacin, rifampicin and ethionamide. The correct answer is D, that is rifampicin and ethionamide. All other drugs are used as antitubercular drug but not used in leprosy. Next question. Which of the following is the IUPAC name of dapsone? These are the options, and the correct answer will be D, that is 4,4-diaminodiphenyl sulfones. The option A is the IUPAC name of acidapsone. Option B is the IUPAC name of sulfadoxine, and option C is the IUPAC name of PABA, that is para-amino benzoic acid. Next question. Reversal reaction is a manifestation of delayed hypersensitivity to Mycobacterium leprae antigen, which is seen in lepromatous leprosy, tuberculoid leprosy, both of these, none of these. The correct answer is B, that is tuberculoid leprosy. Next question. Which of the following antileprotic drug has reminophenazine heterocyclic ring in its structure? The options are acetaption, clofazimine, clarithromycin, rifampicin. The correct answer is clofazimine. That is option B. Next question. Which of the following is not a type of intermediate type of leprosy? The options are borderline lepromatous, borderline lepromatous, and borderline tuberculoid. The correct answer is lepromatous, because lepromatous leprosy is not the intermediate type. Next question. Which of the following is not a symptom of Salfon syndrome? The options are fever, anemia, ringing of ear, desquamation of skin. The correct answer is ringing of ear. These symptoms is not seen in Salfon syndrome. The Salfon syndromes are fever, malaise, lymph node enlargement, desquamation of skin, jaundice, and anemia.